A very good morning to Rizwan sir, Rajkumar sir, and all the staff members and faculty members of Department of Computer Science and Engineering, ABS IT. I am Anmol, hereby presenting the project final presentation on home automation with cell phone control devices. Now I would like to introduce my other team members, Ashutosh Mishra and Deepak Gupta. My project ID is 2016 CS EP 55. Now I would like to discuss the objective of my project. The main objective of this project is to develop a home automation system using a Arduino board with DTMF system, that is dual tone multi-frequency. This project lets you operate your home automation like lights, doors and other electrical appliances from your office or any other remote places. Now we discuss about the methodology of our project that we have used in our project. We can show this methodology with the help of a figure that is mentioned in our presentation. Our Arduino is connected with a DTMF decoder which is connected to a mobile, and the Arduino is also connected to a relay system in which relay 1, relay 2, relay 3 and relay 4 are connected to the corresponding appliances 1, 2, 3 and 4. A GSM system is also connected to our Arduino system, so that we can call to our mobile through this GSM system and operate our home automation system from anywhere else in the world. Now the tools used in our project is Arduino Uno, handset, DTMF sensor, wires and battery. Now we will show the implementation of our project through this PERT chart. First of all, we code our Arduino board. Then we install the coding of our Arduino board in the Arduino system. Then we connect all the hardware systems through wires and integrate them. Then we attach a cell phone to a system and then integrate all the hardware and software configuration in the system. Now let's see the practical implementation of our project. So this is our DTMF decoder in which data pin D0, D1, D2, D3 are connected to the pins 2, 3, 4, 5 in our Arduino board, and this red wire is our 5V power supply and this black wire is ground. This is our relay board that is connected to pin 6, 7, 8 to our Arduino board, and this yellow wire is our 5V power supply, and this Arduino board is also connected to this red wire 5V power supply, which gives power supply to our whole project. In this relay board, as an example, we attach a study lamp as one of our appliance, and last we connected our phone also. So now we uploaded our code and all connections are made, and here are connected our phone as an example. Our relay board is connected to a study lamp. Now we call from our mobile from any place in the world to our system. Later on we will put our system's mobile phone on auto receiving mode, but for now we will as we receive the call, at first we will press 1, our relay 1 will turn on, and you can see that our appliance will turn on. According to our code, if we press 5, our relay 1 will turn off, and if we press relay 2, our relay 2 will turn on, and according to our code, if we press 3, our relay 3 will turn on, and if we press 6 and 7, the corresponding relays will turned off, that is 3 and 4. So this is our DTMF tone home based automation system. Thank you for watching this. So from the motive of this video, I have presented you the implementation and working details of our project. Now I will discuss about the advantages of this project. As you have seen that anyone can control this home automation system from anywhere in the world, and this is the main advantages of our home automation system. One can control home appliances from anywhere. It reduces wastage of electricity when we forgot to switch off the lights and fans and gone outside. It is very low cost compared to other technologies. Design is small and portable. And from all these advantages, we can conclude that the DTMF based home automation has been possible to control all the home appliances automatically using our mobile phone. The DTMF based home auto appliances provide worldwide remote switching operation. Now I would like to present our publication details of our research paper, and these details are shown on the presentation screen. And from this I would like to end my project presentation video. Thank you. Have a nice day.